All right, this is Jimmy with Check Unit, and I'll be showing you the breaker switch of this trailer right here. 1 to 3, we got the main, we got the AC fan, which is number 5, which I'm gonna turn on right now. And as if you look up, you should see the AC. You got different high settings. You got the low fan, you got the high fan. You can just switch it up. High fan, low fan. And as we proceed further, number 5 is water heater, water pump. You got the number 9 hood lights and extractor. Number 2, we got the freezer, and we got outlet number 5. Number 4 is outlet number 1 and interior lights, the lights from the inside of this trailer. Number 6 is exterior lights, the lights from outside. Number 8, the top one, is the refrigerator. Number 8, the bottom one, is outlet number 3. Number 10, top, is gas detector. And the bottom one is outlet 2. All right, so right here we got outlet number 5, and we got the extractor lights and the hood lights, which these are the switches to the lights of this and the extractor that is on top. And right here we have the gas detector as well. All right, so right here we got the 2 lights. We got the exterior lights, the lights for the outside, and we got interior lights, the lights from the inside. If we turn it on, turn it off, turn it on. So right here we got this is the original 100-pound propane tank for this trailer, but we're going to use this to test out the gas. So right here, the first thing you got to do is open the valve from the propane tank, and this is the second valve that brings the gas all the way to inside. Right now it's off when it's horizontal. When you flip it vertical, it means that the gas is going all the way through. Okay, so in order to turn these appliances on, you got to turn on the extractor. You got to first turn on the breaker and then turn on the switch. On the switch, it has a name tag extractor. And the next one is the hood lights. When the extractor is on, then we could proceed to turn on these appliances. Okay, so this is the range combo. This is the first one that we would turn on. You turn on with the valve, you turn it on. Up here, you should start hearing a little hissing, which means that there's gas flowing through the lines. Right here, once you start hearing a little hiss, turn it on. You should see that. When you see the flames that are yellow, that means that you need to adjust it. The flame needs to be blue. So that means that we will dim it a little bit. Right here, it goes from yellow to blue. Yellow to blue. Once it's blue, now you're ready to cook. Right here on the range oven, what you want to do is just press it forward and turn it to the left. And you should start seeing gas flowing through the whole hot plate. Okay, so what you want to do here is press it consecutive amount of times, 20 to 30 times. After you press it a good few times, down here, what you want to do with the lighter, up here, you want to hold it down, and down here, you want to light it up. All right, so once the flame is lit on down there, what you want to do is hold this for about 30 seconds. Once you hold it for about 30 seconds and let go, you should see the flame stay still. After that, you want to adjust to the temperature that you want, and everything will light up and the oven will be ready to preheat and ready to cook. Okay, so right here we have the griddle. What you want to do is open the griddle valve. You should start hearing a little hissing, and down here you should see the pilot. The pilot is the one that you want to ignite. All right, so right here we got the fryer valve. You want to lift up the first one, which is the first fryer. Open the little door. Down here, what you want to do is you should see the name pilot. What you want to do is leave it on the letter L. You want to adjust it, leave it on the letter L. And the same thing that you did to the range combo, you want to do to this one. You want to press it a few times to pump spark into it. You want to hold it and you want to lit it up. All right, once it's on, once you're done lighting the pilot, what you want to do is turn it on to the on position. And from here, once you see the flame extend, you want to go ahead and set it to the right temperature, and you should hear a little click, and that means that you're ready to go. All right, so right here, in order to put in water, you will have this little key that's attached to your keychain. With this small key, all you gotta do is just turn it, and you should have your water inlet. On this one, you grab a 3/4 inch hose, plug it in, and it should go directly into your water tank. Okay, so right here, for the water heater, when the light is on, that means that, you know, it's providing hot water. And this white extension cord is for the water heater. This black one is the water pump that is located back here. And where the water inlet comes through is through this tube, providing water to the water tank, and so you'll be able to use it when you're cleaning, sanitizing, any services that you do. Okay, so right now we're gonna do the plumbing. We got the first one is the water heater. The second one is the water pump. So you want to turn on the water heater and the water pump so you can get hot air and cold water. So right now the water pump is on and the water heater is on. So here we got the water waste valve. In order to open it, you want to twist. It's just a twist lock. So you just twist to the left or twist to the right. What you want to do is twist to the left. Twist to the left, and it should pop open. After you do that, move it to the side or let it fall. And right here you got this switch of this valve. This lever. You open it and a huge amount of water will come out. Okay, so fire extinguishers. Right here to the left, you got the Type K. This one you need it for when you're cooking on the fryer, and let's say flame comes out. This is your one to go. And right here to the left, we have the ABC for any regular fires or any hazard. And to the right, we got the 10-pointer, which this one is for the extractor and the hood vent, just in case one of this goes out. Right here to the right, where the interior lights are at, you will have the switch, the pull switch, in order to activate the suppression system and turn off everything.